This right here is the Vivo V20, and oh my, this has to be the most beautiful phone design I have seen this year. No doubt about it, uncontested. This is my first impressions video of the Vivo V20. Now, a massive shout out to Vivo Ghana for sending this review unit in. And in this video, I'm going to take out my SIM from my Poco X3 NFC and put into the Vivo V20 and use it for about a week and then give you my detailed review. So let me know any comments that you have or any questions that you have for the Vivo V20 in the comments below, and I'll address it in the full review.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Now, like I said, this is a first impressions video, and my first impressions is that this phone is just beautiful. Like, at the back, the glass is like frosted kind of, and it's just beautiful. Like, it's not a fingerprint magnet. It's not going to attract any fingerprint of any sort, and it has this, you know, depending on the angle of the light and everything, it's just so pretty. And the camera bump at the back is unlike any I have seen in 2020. This one is just beautiful. Like, if you want to be the boss and carry a phone which sets you apart and makes you stand out, this is the phone that you need, the Vivo V20. And I'm sure the V means very, like, you know, very good, very excellent, very of everything. So if your phone is amazing, this is very amazing. If your phone is fantastic, this is very fantastic, amazing. In fact, if you can't tell from my voice and from the way I'm excited, I haven't seen a phone which is so beautiful. And it checks all the spec lists of people who want like a mid-range to a budget phone. It has like a 3.5mm earphone jack, it has USB-C, it has 33 watts fast charging, and the adapter is included in the box. And it has an AMOLED display. This unit has 8 gigs RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Now, the main feature of this phone, apart from the beautiful design, the amazing software experience, are the cameras. And I'm going to give you lots of camera reviews once I spend some time with it. So I'll just power on the phone, put the SIM in it, and give you my initial thoughts. And then in my full detailed review, we are going to, you know, see what makes this phone so amazing. Now, this phone is so thin, it's so light, I don't know, it's crazy. It has a teardrop notch in the middle of the phone. It has an ultra sleek matte glass. It has 64 megapixel night camera, and it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor. Now, you know, whenever you see G, it means gangster. No, it means gaming, but yeah, I mean, this phone is gangster. This phone is amazing. Plus, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. We'll talk more about this phone in my full review of the Vivo V20. Now, if you're in Ghana, you can get the Vivo V20 for about 2,299 Ghana cedis. Remember, it has amazing specs, 8 gigs RAM, 256 gig storage, and it even comes with expandable storage. I mean, it's really amazing for the price, and you can get it at any retailer, your Telefonica, your Vivo shops, any amazing retailer in Ghana. Now, the Vivo V20 comes out of the box installed with Android 11, and you don't need to worry about Google mobile services. It has all the Google apps you need. You can install all the apps you need at any time and enjoy your amazing experience. I can't wait to have my full time with this phone and give you my honest opinion about it. So if you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision when you're making your next purchase. So if you like that kind of content, please click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you do not miss any episode. Thanks, be brave.